Hey everyone, today I'm trying out the Magic Bullet and wow, I am genuinely impressed. First off, it's super compact, fits anywhere, perfect for small kitchens, but don't let the size fool you. This little powerhouse blends everything so smoothly, whether it's smoothies, sauces, or even grinding nuts, it handles like a pro. Let's unbox this and see the real magic behind this magic bullet. Wow, the first impression, it looks sleek, compact, and honestly super cute. Everything is neatly packed and it feels really solid. I love that it comes with the multiple cups and lids so you can blend and store or take your drinks on the go. Okay, so the moment of truth. Let's try it out. So I'm just gonna add my ingredients in it. We're gonna add some bananas. I will also add some frozen strawberries to check the maximum capacity of the blades. I always check frozen berries because if they blend frozen berries good, so they are 100% recommended from me. So just add a little bit of the milk and let's try and blend these ingredient. So I'm just gonna pop the lid on it and right after that just put it on the mortar like this. Super easy, super simple. Simply push it down just for a little bit and like few seconds I guess, and then your drink would be best. I just press it down and click it just to lock it, so it's gonna do its work on its own. Okay, so just for 3 to 5 seconds and your drink is all ready to go, and it just blended so nicely, so perfectly. I'm gonna pour this into a glass just to show the smoothness of the drink. So let's pour it into a glass now. So that's super smooth, fast and powerful for just a tiny little braids. And I am just super impressed by looking at the performance. No chunks, no mess, just perfectly blended goodness. And if we talk about the cleanup is a breeze too, which is honestly a huge win. I can see myself using this every single day for smoothies, sauces, and even grinding small stuff. So, yeah, first impressions, super impressed. This little magic bullet might just become your new kitchen best friend. I love how easy it is to use. Just pop on the cup, twist and blend. No complicated buttons, no fuss and hassle free. Just rinse and it's done. Honestly, for anyone who loves quick, effortless blending without taking up a ton of space, the Magic Bullet is a game changer. I didn't expect it to be this powerful, but here we are. So if you are thinking of upgrading your kitchen game or just want something super convenient, this little blender is 100% worth it. Trust me, you are gonna love it. I will see you guys in my next video with another review. Till then, take care. Bye bye.